So guys, typically we take questions at an hour and a half. We're at almost an hour 45. So let's Ken, let's roll out the 3 questions that we have and see where that conversation goes.
Sure, and then I have one more thing on lighting I'd like to touch on as well, but we'll go with Squishy Mirror here. Have you heard of Reheat dehumidifiers?
Yes. We are actually using a Reheat system in our drying facility right now.
What is that?
You know, I really can't explain it. My partner Josh would be able to explain it a lot better. But it's basically using dehumidifying. You're not really running a dehumidifier. You're using a heater, and I really couldn't explain it. I'm gonna F it up. So
is it possible that it's something to do with, like, let's say you have a mini split heat pump and you're like forcing it to make heat so it can cool the heat, and your mini split is giving you a lot more dehumidification? Some sort of hack like that. Is that what he means?
Yeah, it's
No idea.
Because a big thing for us, like, I'm running pretty old school. I have ACs and dehumidifiers. So a problem is, let's say, like, my lights would be too efficient and not making enough heat, and my AC isn't working hard enough. I'm going to have trouble with dehumidification, because the heat in my room makes my AC work hard. And when my AC works hard, it dehumidifies a lot. So I don't know if it has to do with that, but
it sounds like it. It sounds like this is.
I don't have a particular, like, Reheat dehumidification system, but I know what he's talking about. I don't know.
We went through a guy named Steve Landry. Steve Landry is the guy that's really been teaching this across the United States, and he's got a lot of clients. I learned about him through Aaron Field, and you could actually do it in your cultivation system. In your cultivation, like, he's teaching people to not. He's like, get rid of the dehus. You won't even have to use a dehu. You know,
yeah, that's pretty extreme there, but yeah.
So Lil put a comment in there. Why don't you highlight that, Ken? Because she basically gave you the answer.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah, reheat dehumidification is a HVAC process that cools air below its dew point to remove moisture, dehumidify, and then reheats it to a comfortable temperature before supplying it to a space.
Something like that.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, I mean, that's